Hey there, thank you for stopping by. Just here, loading up this mesquite wood. You know, today I am in the mood for some chicken. So, I'm gonna do spatchcocked chicken. So, let's get to it. Alright, let's get this garp bird on. Let's get to cooking, don't you think? Yeah, just like that. Looking pretty good. Let's close it. And then this trick. Yep. It's going down. I'll add one. Let's see. Let's get this one in. Yeah. Man. All right. So that's gonna get going, and then we'll let it cook, and then I'll bring you back. I'm gonna check the fire. Yeah. Need to add some more splits. As you can see. So add those on. Yeah, look at that mesquite. I just love the way mesquite smells. It's all my dad ever cooks with is mesquite, so that's all I know is just mesquite. So that's what I use. Yeah, I've used a couple of times post oak, hickory, but for the love of mesquite. Look at that. Man, this is love of barbecue and smoking. Look at that. Man. All right. So I'm gonna catch a little bit more, and then I'm gonna close it. And that's what's good about letting your wood sit on top. Let it warm up. Throw it on, and it catches and stays lit. So that's a tip if you don't know. Smoker's sitting at 250. Pretty good, pretty good. Got only one split on. Got another one right here. Getting warm. So 250. A little over 325. So that'll let you know the difference from cooking grate to your temp gauge up top. Well, let's check out that chicken. Oh yeah, look at that. That's looking nice. That's looking nice. Getting that color, that mesquite. Right. But let's let it go. It's not done yet. And we'll continue on. Love the smoker. I'm gonna add on another split. Tail needs it. Yeah. It's coming along, this cook. Yeah, that mesquite smells nice. Alright, it's catching on. Check out that bird. Oh yeah. Look at that. You see I put in a probe. Keep temperature of the breast. Looking good, looking good. That, yeah. So I'm gonna close the firebox and continue on. I'm gonna get another split. I'm gonna go with this one. Get it on the bark and get the bark hot so it can light better on the bark. Yeah. There's the mesquite wood. Now we're playing with fire. Hey, look at that. That is beautiful. We're almost to the end. I have a feeling that this might be the last wood we burn for this cook. But look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, we're at the end of the line. We made it to the finish line. Let's check out that chicken. Oh yeah, look at that color. Let's get some light in there. Nice. All right. Well, I'm gonna take it off, let it rest for a bit. Yes, sir. I'm ready to eat. Tell you what, this is some crunchy skin. Yeah, love it. Look at that, smoked. All right, I'm gonna slice into it. All right, here it goes. And tell you what, I am loving this. Oh. Look at that. Moist. Nice. Look at that. Moist. Oh yeah. Damn. One moist bird. Tell you what. It's nice. All right. I got some breast right here with the skin. Oh yeah. Oh man, that is awesome. Had to get some more. That is bomb. Hey, when you do it this way, spatchcock, you allow the smoke to easily penetrate the meat of the chicken. Makes it a lot easier to smoke your chicken. So, if you've never done it, do it. You won't regret it. You'll come out with some juicy chicken. Well, it was a great day. Great cook. I'm ready to head inside. I'm gonna go eat. So, y'all stay safe. And as always, smoke on, everyone.